In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva typography hacks and tricks, whether you're crafting a social media post, a digital flyer, or a striking presentation slide. These tips will help you refine your typography skills to make your visuals stand out. To start off, you'll need to open Canva. Once there, create a new design. The beauty of Canva is its versatility. The document you select can be tailored to various sizes depending on your project, so feel free to choose whatever best suits your needs. Once your new design opens up, it's time to add text to your design. You can quickly press the letter T on your keyboard, or alternatively, click on the text option available on the sidebar. This action will add a text box to your design, allowing you to start adding content. After your text box appears, go ahead and type in your desired text. This is your canvas to add any message or heading you have in mind. The next step is where the fun begins. Select your text box and click on Effects in the toolbar above. A window appears with various options, one of which is Curve. Choose this option to give your text some dynamic shapes, making it curve into an arc or any shape you desire. Once you've applied the curve effect, it's time to add some impact. Duplicate your text box by selecting the text and using the copy and paste commands, or simply clicking the duplicate button. With the duplicated text layered over the original, change its font for a differing look. This technique of layering fonts can significantly boost the visual impact of your text, creating a bold statement. For those who want to delve deeper into the art of typography, try combining some complementary fonts. Canva offers a plethora of font choices which you can mix and match. However, a good rule of thumb is to pair a more decorative font with a simple, cleaner one. This blend adds sophistication as well as balance to your design. If you're looking for another creative element, head over to the Elements section and search for Letter Frame. This feature lets you choose letters and place them on your layout. Once you have these in place, you can drag an image into them, filling your letters with the chosen image. This creates an eye-catching effect, perfect for drawing attention. Lastly, do not underestimate the power of transparency. By adjusting the transparency of your text or other elements, you can create a subtle contrast that softens your design, giving it a professional, polished look. And that's it. You've now learned some powerful typography tricks with Canva. Experiment with these techniques, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of your design skills. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.